Hi guys, here is an example of simplifying an expression using the order of operations. Most of you may heard of PEMDAS, but GEMDAS is the same thing. The G instead stands for grouping, which includes parentheses, brackets, absolute value bars, all of those things. Then we have E for exponents, M and D for multiplying and dividing, A and S for adding and subtracting. So we're going to go ahead and look, and first I see that there's no grouping, there's no parentheses, so we're going to go to the next part. I do see some exponents. So you see right there in the middle, we have 2 to the power of 3. Remember that 2 to the power of 3 means 2 times 2 times 2, which we can simplify to 8. So we get 16 minus 8 divided by 8, then plus 5 at the end. Next, since we've checked off grouping and exponents, there we go, check those off. We're now going to look for either multiplication or division. Starting at the left, moving across, I see 8 divided by 8 in the middle, so I'm going to do that before I do any adding or subtracting. Right there in the middle, 8 divided by 8 gives us 1. So we're going to go ahead and copy down the rest of our problem. So I get 16 minus 1 plus 5. Then we have to remember, adding and subtracting go from left to right. We don't always add before we subtract. So we're going to start on the left. So the first thing we see is 16 minus 1. There's that arrow that tells us from left to right. So that means that we're going to start on the left of the problem. 16 minus 1, that gives us 15. We get 15 plus 5, so our final answer is 20.